The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Good morning. Jim, Tom, Randy, Sue, guys, good morning. And we're back at it. Markets are getting ratcheted again, fellas. Chris, good morning. It has been, to say the least, a volatile overnight session. Everything is getting hammered. Gold, indices, bonds are bid. $4,300 sellers right now in crude. Good morning, Mohammed. NASDAQ, 2,800 plus sellers. Sellers in silver, sellers in gold, sellers in the ES over 15,000. YM sellers down 500. Russell sellers, I don't see anything that's green. They're not buying anything other than bonds. Good morning, Chad. Guys, it's going to be a volatile session. Please trade. Todd, good morning. Please trade accordingly. It's going to be a heck of a session. If you guys are here on trial, we have a few that are continuing from last week, and I don't know if you're in the room or not, but good morning and welcome back. We do have a trial. Harry, good morning and welcome to the room. I'll go over the room, Harry, for you a little bit later. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, guys. I'll show you some charts I worked on over the weekend. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. There is your disclaimer. This is a nice trade on gold, fellas. $30+ ticks so far. Just trying to find buyers down here. All right, fellas, take some risk off on gold, 27.2. A six handle trade from where I gave the breakdown. It's a six handle trade. See what happens here. No, I mean the candles are just too big. The range is so big because of the volatility. That's all. And now we're blowing them out. I mean, we are into a support area, guys. When it bounces, it could be a ferocious bounce back up, but I don't have a bounce yet. Right down in here, you've got another trade. You got this 5 minute resistance now, double top here. It's got to come through 28.5. That's actually, if you look at it here, I'll show you. If you look at this chart here, this is a 15 minute. This is what it's stuck at. That's all. Right here. If we pop through that, we can start working closer to 31, where we did what? Broke down from. So it's got to get through 28.5, and it can work back up into that 31.5 area where it broke down from. That'll become its next area of resistance, which is reflected by this moving average here, right around 32. If we get above this, guys, it's going up near that 31.8 area to 32. So that's the next hurdle. NASDAQ looks like it's into a small time frame sell. Could move a little bit higher. I mean, NASDAQ could, if it gets some oomph, could move back up over 800, but it runs into hourly resistance. Still a ways away from hourly. Gold failed at 15-minute resistance. All right, now gold is short on the robot, but this is not a trade that I like. Don't like this short. This is just a small time frame, 377. As long as gold holds this bottom at 23.6, I think it bounces long. We'll see. Got to get above that 28.5. That's 15-minute resistance, also 5-minute. Above 28.5, gold should work back up to 31, 30.7. And I think it's going. I told you I didn't like this short. That's why I like the bigger time frame stuff, fellas. Guys, it's 9:02. I'm going to take my breakfast break. We're going to be in for it today. It's going to be volatile as hell. I will be back in about 15, 20 minutes. Okay, guys? There's first target on the bot. It's going to fight this 34 in that little trend line there. If it does, it'll get to 27. If it can get above 25. I almost think gold fails here. Right where it is. We'll see. Not going, 20 buyers, not going far. All right, guys, let me go to an hourly. We're breaking through hourly resistance up here on the NASDAQ. Second target would have been hit on the bot on gold, 23 ticks. This is that hourly resistance right here at 800. At 1,200 buyers in this candle, guys, on the hourly. Current candle. So second target's been hit on the bot. We're down 600 points now, guys, on the Dow. We're shorts, fellas. We're shorts. That hourly resistance held. It pierced it a bit, but gold is a small short. Gold is a short. First target 17.6 is what I see here. The bot's going to short again. 17.6 is the target on gold. ES broke that 47. God dang it, I missed everything. I missed the move up. I missed it on the move up and the move down. Anybody short that ES, guys? Your first target is 37 if you're short from 47. It's 10 handles. Or as you see fit. Or as you see fit. Trade them as you see fit, but this NASDAQ is attempting to hold. I don't see it. I mean, there's no. NASDAQ is probably headed down to 690. Maybe a pullback into 40. Oh, gold. I missed it. Gold is short. I gave you guys the gold short. 17.6 first target. Bot is short. First target's off. Trailing stop on the YM, guys. I don't have it activated. That's why it's not auto trailing, but is now below third target. I'm going to change this ATM, guys, from 1 by 2 to 2 by 1 again. It's just making too little money, guys, on first target only. Come on, NASDAQ. Just give me a pullback. $17.6 was the first target I gave you guys. You got it. There's first target. 17.6 on gold. You got it. If NASDAQ breaks below 08, it's going to get blasted. NASDAQ below 08 gets blasted. Okay, out. Out on the runner, guys. All right, NASDAQ may get a long back up to 50. It's up 1,500. All right, guys. If NASDAQ gets above 11, it's going to go long to 33. Can almost take it long here on an order flow trade. If you guys want to try a NASDAQ long, it's a long to 33 is what I see. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Push it up. There goes NASDAQ. Come on, buddy. It's trying. It's got buyers. It's going to, man, it's just a pain in the neck. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go, Nancy. Guys, 17 would be first target. If we can get up there. Got buyers. $17 is target one if you guys are long. Come on, man. Let's go. We're fighting this first target. This 3-minute bot is long. It's got first target at 30 handles. And the YM on the Unirenko is long. Gold is long as well. Come on, 17. Let's go. Come on, let's go. 17. First target at 17, fellas. There you go. First target off, 17. First target off, 17. Next target, 30, maybe 28. 27. Whoop. There you go. Got your 28 next target, 27. You guys good? Fellas, are you good? Help me out here, guys. Are you guys good? There's a $3,000 NASDAQ trade on the bot, fellas. 3,000. We're killing this thing. Yeah, you got to listen. Again, like I told you guys last week, you got your goals. Nice, Yannick. Like I told you guys last week, fellas, I am not using a stop. I can't. It's too volatile. I am not telling you not to use a stop, but I am not using a stop. Mimi, right click on the chart, reload Ninja Script. That's all. And reset it. Your net Ninja's just stuck. Guys, if NASDAQ can somehow work above 57, it breaks out. It's got to get above 57. you can add on a pullback to maybe 06, 07. If you guys want to take another trade. Now, again, it's volatile and whippy. There would be your entry again, 06, 07. And come on, pull up, buddy. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Come on, pull up. You got 10 handles in it again. And here we go. Whee! Goodbye. Anybody take it again at 06, 07? That's not much of a trade. 20 handles. What the hell? Anybody take 20 handles? Take some risk off again. Take some risk off. Go to break even. Let it go. Anybody take it 06, 07? Nobody. Not one guy. 200 people, not one guy. Okay. Take some risk off. Watch it. It's got to get above 37, guys. I don't know that it can. Here's a 30 handler. 30 handles. Gold's goofing again. Can't get above 22. NASDAQ's got to get above 57, guys, to go anywhere. I would look for a short up there. We're pushing the 50-day on a 15-minute. I'd really like to get this next target up here at 79 handles. Target filled where? Oh, YM. 2 off on the YM. Out at break even on the Unirenko. All right, guys. I'm going to take this trade off. Take the money. Done. That's done. That trade's done. This is still support right in this area. Now gold flops into a short. Gold's just chopping around, guys. The small time frame stuff, I told you at the beginning, is useless in this volatility. Let's see what we might get here. Well, we got through the hourly stuff, and we couldn't get through the 50. Okay. Gold's now coming down. The 3-minute has never gone long. Guys, if gold breaks this low again at 16.2, it's going to get ratcheted. Guys, hang on. Hang on. Lock in 20 handles. There's first target on that YMski. And here comes our target at 42. If you're running multiples, I mean, you could drop your stop now down to call it 65. It's going to bounce here right off that 42, 43 zone. It's really going to have to blow down here. All right, if your stop was at 65, you're out. You only made 30 handles. Oh, well, $600 a car. What are you going to do? I'm wiped out, guys. I got to go on vacation. Boy, this is one filthy animal today. Filthy. Guess I can get rid of this. That's done. Second target hit here. No, first target. I'm sorry. First target on the YM. I still have 2 on the bot. Dow's down 7 hunch. NASDAQ back up to 3,200. Look where we failed again, fellas. That dashed line, that's where we failed again. Just, we basically breached the 50. And this was what we had as support earlier. And it's still kind of holding right in here. This is on a, come on. Dog, come on. That's last area of support. See where we held? Right along here. That's it. That's it. We should bounce. Gold is going to try it again. Long gold 16.7. 16.7 for a small bounce. Maybe up to 18 or 19. It's not much. Come on, gold. Let's go. No. Come on, gold. Seriously? Don't be a jerk. Get above 17.2. There we go. Up. Come on. If anybody took the gold, you got a nice trade, fellas. Nice trade. From 16.9. It's a nice little trade. got to get through 19.3. There it is, 219.3. Come on, pop this bad boy. Let's go. There it is. You could take some off at 20.3. You guys got a nice little, trade them as you see fit. Right? I see a target 20.3. Out on this runner, but I still think gold is long. That's just a 377 tick, fellas. 377 tick. All right, guys. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. What do you want to do here? We're just chopping around. ES, I missed a little short in the ES at 43. I still think gold is longs, fellas, unless we blast that bottom. I'll look for another entry. Anybody have any questions? Any questions, guys? Oh, gold is. God dang, this NASDAQ, man, just erupts. I mean, it erupts. Now gold is short. I rather prefer the longs, unless it blows out this bottom here. All right, guys. NASDAQ, you can try NASDAQ long at 801, but it's a ways away. See if I can get us in somewhere else. I don't have any buyers. It's. I don't like this short on gold. Just letting you know. NASDAQ, I still think is long, unless it collapses below 59. I get another candle here. It's short. Unless it comes up through 77. 59 is your short, or 77 is the long. We held 60 half. There's 59 held. 59.50. It's still holding 59. It broke 59. That should come down a bit. Come on, buddy. I mean, look at your 15-minute, guys. What an ugly bounce, man. Ugly bounce. Target on gold. First target off again. And 2,800 sellers, guys. No buyers. Look at these 15-minute candles. That's delta on a 15-minute. We haven't had buyers since the 945 candle. Out on gold again. First target again. Chopping around, chopping around. I still think this is coming down, guys. We've got this stupid little inside candle, but all sellers, lower highs. If you're short 59, it's had some hellacious pullbacks in here, but there's nothing I can do about it. The volatility, the tick range right now in the NASDAQ, it's not that bad, 148. There are no bot trades. There we go. Gold is, guys, if we get near 1900 on gold, you got to be long. This freaking NASDAQ, man. ES is still getting hit. It's trying to hold this bottom at 32. If it does, it can bounce back up to 41. The delta, I've said this before. Is there anybody holding 59 short? Okay, Randy. Nice. We're bouncing off 15-minute support here. Okay, Ken. ES is buried. I mean, it's just buried. I don't have any support on the ES until it gets close to the whole number. Same with gold. If gold doesn't hold 1900, there's 01. Guys, they're selling everything in concert. I suspect bonds are long. I'm not looking at bonds. Look at this gold, 1900. Nary a buyer in sight. All right, ES, fellas, you can try a 32 long. If you're not short positionally, 32 long, 32 long with a target at 35. Be a 32 with a 35, give or take, first target. It's not gotten there yet. I suspect so, Magnus. The market is. Let me just check the VIX here, fellas. Guys, my guess is this will bounce at some point later. This is from 59, guys. It just waffled around up and down in about a 20 handle range. Dow futures currently down 866, S&P off 88, and the NASDAQ off 200. We should come to somewhere around 10,550 before we find any real support. VIX futures are up 9%. VIX cash up 18%. We're over 30. Everything is getting sold in unison. Dollar strength is, I think it's 13%, 15%. It's not the same trading curbs as it is in, Globex. Globex is 5%. I don't know. I haven't seen one. Anybody know when gold is longs? God dang it. Now gold is doing its best to impersonate the NASDAQ with this volatility. I mean, it's just stuttering stupid. Seriously. ES is long to 32. ES is long to 32. ES is long to 32. Look at this gold. Boom. Target's filled, fellas. 59 ticks in that final. Gold is long to 30. I mean, ES is long to 32. NASDAQ looks like a short up around 730, 735 area, if it can get there. ES should get to 32. This is where we, again, for my order flow, guys, this is where we would have wanted to be long, coming back through this 95 with these stacked buyers. Now, again, I haven't taught this yet, but that was our entry, was 93, 4, 5, 6 area. We're not, it's going to want to try to get 1900. I think we're going to 06. NASDAQ can't even get itself up to get a sell. I think gold goes to 06, fellas. Let's see what it does. We got buyers in the NASDAQ. Not many, but we have some buyers. Damn. Missed it. Gold gets through this 99, it's going to pop. Gold has to get through 99 and it'll pop. There it goes. Come on, buddy. No, it went and failed. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Pop 99.4 and go. Come on, gold. Come on, run, Forrest, run. Run, Forrest, run. Guys, it looks like gold is trying to get back up to maybe 04. No, it lost it again. Lost all the buyers. Now it's trying again. Good Lord, gold. Come on, pop. Let's go. Now it's sticking right here. 97.9. .98.1 is kind of this We got green in the candle body here up to about 98.6. Man, pop this little stupid little area resistance. Get up to 048. Let's go. There we go. Come on. Right here. It's got to pop 99.6. Let's go. 99.6. Here we go. Come on, buddy. Get back over 1900 and go. Run, Forrest, run. Anybody long gold? Is anybody long gold? Okay. I'm long gold as well, fellas. Come on, 048. That's my target. Call it 045. Come on. Golly. Well, gave me a trade. I didn't take any off. Gave me 17, 18 ticks. Let's go. Come on, wind it up. Stop playing games. Now we got to break up through again. 99.6. This stupid gold. Looks like the dollar's trying to come a little bit lower. Come on, buyers. Let's go. I don't want to see this come back down through 96.5 or it's going to get smashed again. Sellers in again. They're trying to pull it up. Come on. There we go. Come on, buyers. Yeah, I just can't stand it sitting here. For the record, I'm long here at 88.1, right here. It just won't go anywhere. That does, listen, for what it's worth, guys, it doesn't make it a better trade or a worse trade. I'm just telling you where I'm long. Trade them as you see fit. Now we've got to pop above 99.6. This thing wants to go to 048. It's got to get above 99.6 now, which was the high of this move. 15 ticks, 16 ticks. No, now we're selling again. We're going to take out this candle and blow again, guys. Well, maybe not. It's all sellers, lower high. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out, guys. Gave 15 ticks. That's it. I took a loss. Mm-hmm. I still think this is going to end up longs. And I think it's going to 048. Look at this rat bag. It's right back to my entry. Buyers again. It's going to go. We get above 1900, it should go quickly. There we go. Above 1900. Oh, you scumbag. Target is 048. NASDAQ should trade up to 31, 32. Guys, I've got nothing here. Gold is just inching. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Watch NASDAQ here. I have a short on the NASDAQ at 33 area. If it pops back up there, it's got to get to 33. NASDAQ is, gold is still above my level, guys. It's inching up. It's going to get up here. Come on, NASDAQ. Get up into that sell zone. Anybody take the ES to 32? You got your target on ES. I still think gold's going, fellas. I was in at 88.1. I got stopped out. There goes gold. Back over. Come on, stay over 1900. All right, guys. NASDAQ got to 30 half. There goes gold. There we go, gold. There we go. Guys, your target is 048 on gold. 048. I still think gold's going to go, fellas. I still think it's longs. 048 is your first target. Can actually get to 15 to 19 gold. This NASDAQ just won't give us anything. There goes gold. Here comes your 048, fellas. Here comes your 048. First target. Next target up is 9.5. Come on, gold. All right, guys. Okay, there we go, guys. There's your 048 target. 048 target. On gold. If anybody held, here comes second target on gold. Booyah, baby. Took me out. Anybody hold it? You got your targets. NASDAQ's trying as well, fellas. Anybody still holding gold? Okay. Next target up, guys, is 09.5. 09.5. 09.5. And then above that, 15, 20, and 24. Okay. 9.5, 15, 20, and 24. Anybody long ES? Anybody take ES? 38.5's your first target. Anybody take it? Still long GC. I'd hold on to that gold, man, I wouldn't give up gold. Would not give up that gold trade. Gold can get to $24. There's 37. There's 38. Come on, ES, let's go. All right, guys. NASDAQ's going to 84 and then 96. Come on, ES. All right, guys. Long NASDAQ. And God, it's 74 to 83, maybe. I don't like it. I got to get a pullback. I've got to get a pullback in the NASDAQ. I think we're heading back to VWAP or close to it by the close of Europe. It's 15 minutes. All right, Gary. Nice job. We got 38.75 on the ES, so you got your 38 half target. You got your 38 half target, fellas. You can try a NASDAQ long if you want at 46, but I wouldn't give it much of a wide berth. I don't think it may not even get there. It just came down to 51 and bounced. Damn it.
Order submitted.
Are you kidding me? We just came to 48.50. I just tried to buy 46 and we didn't get there on the NASDAQ again.
Order canceled.
There's 46. There's our figures. I canceled the damn trade. There's 46 to 49.50. We're losing buyers. This is just the close of Europe stuff, guys. Gold is peeling back a bit. I will do bot totals, fellas, at 11:30. If you have money, never allow a winning trade to go to a losing trade. Now, from my short, our first target is hit at 21. I would say that somewhere between 98 and 02. I would take maybe 03 for the next target. So if you're trading, if you got a couple going here, maybe 03, you take some more off and then hang on to them. Maybe you get, who knows? Maybe you get another 200-point downdraft today. I don't know. All I know is there's a whole dump truck full of sellers and nobody willing to buy it yet. So 03 is your next target. We came to freaking 3.5. Are you kidding me? I missed by 2 ticks. Gold just hit that 91 area. It better bounce here or it's going to get slam dunked again. Guys, I missed that next level down by 2 ticks. So, again, never allow a winning trade to go to a losing trade. So depending on where you're in, trade accordingly. We could pop right back up to 42, even 48 from here. So the ES on the Unirenko failed again and has had a miserable day on the bot. Short of that, everything, the only ones that have taken trades have all, done well. And again, I like the ES on that 15-minute, but it never took a trade today. I mean, this is an easy read, and I haven't been watching the YM, but this was an easy read. You guys all should see this. There was your short. That's just a naked chart. There was your short. 950 area. What's he trying to fucking buy? So he bought some at 20? I'll look at it in a minute. Hang on. He's out of his friggin' mind. He has no idea what he's doing. Take away his mouse. Guys, I'm just waiting for Europe to get out of here at 11:30, and then I'm going to look for another trade. The NASDAQ is still short. The NASDAQ for me to come long has to be somewhere around 10,700 area and hold that, maybe 98 and hold that, and then we'll get the bounce long. But shy of that, I don't have a trade anywhere. Gold, if it blows 85.4, is going to blow again. I still have a target at 03 on the NASDAQ. Anybody holding shorts on the NASDAQ? Anybody still holding shorts? Okay, John. I still have 03. Now we're holding this one standard deviation. But again, I still have it short. Dollar index is melting up. They're buying the dollar. Safe haven currency. Here comes 03. Now we're going to get it. Oh, come on. Kudlow noting a concern that there could be shutdowns in Britain and other parts of Europe. UK is talking about going to another quarantine period. I don't know if you guys are aware of that. Kudlow believes the economy will continue. Oh, 03. Got it. Booyah, baby. Booyah, baby. We finally got it. Now they're really free. They're really freebies. You got 21 first target, 03 second target, and now they're completely free, fellas. All we can do here is continue to sell off, or if we bounce off this 98 zone, still not out of Europe, so I'm not willing to take a trade. If we bounce out of this 98 zone, then we could trade back to 42. But we got to get out of Europe. I don't want to be involved. Kudlow noting that the White House wants additional farm aid in the funding bill. All right, fellas, couple minutes. Guys, I'm going to quickly go over my totals. You guys ready? We're going to do totals. My bots are all off. These are bot totals for the day. YM Unirenko up 285, 265, 265. YM 3 minute up 625. Silver up 1500. That's disregard that 6 range. I no longer trade it. 1500. NASDAQ on the 3 minute up 1845. Gold on the 3 minute up 710. ES on the Unirenko down 27.37 and 50 cents. What's my total? Up 2207.50. That's stupid ES, man. I'm going to get away from all these small time frame stuff. Look at that bounce, guys, out of that 98 zone. I told you I wouldn't take it until Europe closed. We could bounce right back up to 42, 43. Everybody good today, fellas? We all good? We caught a huge short on gold. We caught a very nice trade on a bounce on gold. Some NASDAQ shorts, nice. YM long I had. I didn't touch crude today, didn't even look at it, didn't look at the YM, didn't look at the Russell. Is there anybody that did not make money today? If you didn't take any trades, that's one thing. Okay, so everybody's good, right?